Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use TickTick in iPhone. TickTick is a versatile and user-friendly productivity tool designed to help individuals and teams organize their lives. In today's fast-paced world, managing tasks, deadlines, and personal goals can be overwhelming. TickTick solves this problem by providing a centralized platform where you can create tasks, set reminders, track habits, and plan projects efficiently. Unlike basic to-do list apps, TickTick integrates advanced features like calendars, recurring tasks, Pomodoro timers, habit trackers, and customizable smart lists, all designed to streamline your workflow. And whether you are a student managing assignments, a professional juggling work project, or somebody simply wanting to stay organized at home, TickTick on iPhone offers the convenience of a mobile-first experience, allowing you to manage tasks anytime and anywhere. Its intuitive interface ensures that even beginners can navigate the app effortlessly while still providing powerful tools for the advanced user. So first you need to download TickTick on your iPhone. Open the App Store here, and on the bottom we can find there's a search bar. Tap on the search bar at the bottom and type down TickTick and search for it. Over here you can find this TickTick to-do list. Simply select this get beside it, and over here you need to double click to install it, and it will authenticate using your Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password as well. And once the authentication finishes and installation completes, you can tap open to launch the TickTick for the first time beside it. And upon launching over here, TickTick introduced to a clean, well-organized interface designed to help you start creating tasks immediately. Over here you need to select this continue on the bottom each time, or you can simply skip it in the top right corner as well, as I'm going to tap on the continue on the bottom. So over here you are also required to create an account or logging in. You can simply sign in with your Apple, Google, email, or with Facebook as well, as I'm going to select this Google. And after that you can tap on the continue on the bottom right. And that is it. This is how you can create an account or logging in as well. Logging in ensures that your tasks are synchronized across devices, including iPhone, iPad, web, and desktop versions as well. And the home screen serves as the central hub for managing tasks. Upon opening TickTick, you will notice several key areas. On the bottom here, we can find this inbox. Under this inbox, a default location for newly added tasks that have not been assigned to a specific list. And beside it, there's for the today, that's a calendar sign. It displays all the tasks scheduled or due for the current day. And beside it, and over here you can also add a task in the plus icon on the bottom right. This is for the prominent button at the bottom center to quickly add new tasks here, and this designs ensure whether you want to see today's priorities or plan for the week ahead, the workflow remains visible and manageable as well. And once you tap on this icon here, you can enter a task name, for example finish project. And over here you can also set the due date by tapping on it, and you can set the timer, reminder, repeat on the bottom as well, and select this duration over here. And after you're done, you can tap on the check mark beside it, and you can also set the priority. You can choose between the low, medium, or high priority to organize your day effectively. And also we can find there's a 3-dot icon beside it. Over here you can find the image, templates, convert to note, full screen, or you can simply access to the settings here as well. And after configuring these options, you can tap on the save icon, which is the small arrow icon beside it. And to add the task, TickTick also allows long pressing tasks to quickly move, duplicate, or delete them. And the step 5 with the list and the folders. And again we can find there's a 3-lined icon in the top left over here, and you can go to the setting icon in the top right again beside the notifications bar. Over here we can find this upgrade to premium, and many apps provide a premium upgrade to unlock the additional features beyond the free plan. Upgrading to premium often gives users access to the advanced tools, unlimited resources, priority support, or the exclusive content that enhances the overall experience. And to upgrade, navigate the account. Over here you can tap on the upgrade to premium beside it. Over here you can select your plan as well, and you can also get a 7-day free trial on the bottom over here. And alongside premium access, personal identification number can be set for the added security. And over here on the bottom we can also find this sound and notifications. This is essential for staying on schedule and receiving timely alerts. Notifications can remind users for upcoming tasks, deadlines, or newly available resources. Enabling sound ensures that the notifications are noticeable even when the user is multitasking on the device is locked. Many apps will allow customization of notifications types and sounds, allowing users to set priority alerts for urgent tasks. And over here we can also find this appearance icon. Tap on the appearance here, and under this appearance, and this is where the users can customize the app's visual theme. Most apps offer options such as light mode, dark mode, or system default. Users can also often adjust font size, color accents, and the layout preferences to make the interface more comfortable and visually appealing, and this enhances the usability and ensures the app can be used comfortably in different lighting conditions as well. You can select the color series over here as well, and you can also select the season series on the bottom. You can find tons of appearances. You can go to this app icons, and the display it will change automatically as well. And under this date and time we can find this an icon for it. This is it These are critical for scheduling and tracking progress accurately. Users can schedule reminders, log activities, timestamps, and track deadlines properly. Set date and time ensures synchronization across devices, particularly if the app supports cloud-based features or cross-platform usage as well. And at the bottom, we can find this general section. This section provides control over the app's overall behavior, including theme, language, account preferences, and display options here. You can select your detailed page, smart recognition, quick add, and default as well. It also manages the passcode and Face ID here, and users can adjust these to fit personal preferences, making the app more user-friendly and tailored to the workflow as well. And under this bottom, we can also find this help and feedback. This section is usually accessible from this menu setting. It provides structured guidance for the common tasks, including tutorials, frequently asked questions, FAQ, and step-by-step instructions, and users can search for the specific topic such as setting up tasks, adjusting notifications, or syncing calendars here. And some app also provides contextual help where a small help icon appears next to the features for instant guidance. And this section is designed to be self-service, allowing users to resolve issues independently without waiting for the direct support as well. And to delete a task or the item in the Adobe Lightroom, you can simply begin by opening the inbox on the bottom left here, and you can go to this section. From there, you need to choose the album or the folder where your photo or the edits are stored, and scroll to and find the specific item that you want to delete. And you can either tap or hold it, or you can simply open it, and beside it we can find there's a three dot icon. You can tap on the three dot icon over here as well, and under this we can find to this delete icon just beside the want to, and over here you need to tap on it, and that is it. If your Lightroom account is synced with the cloud, deleting the item will also remove it from all the connected devices. This means you should be careful before confirming, especially if the file is important, and once it is deleted, some items may still be found in the recent and deleted section for a limited time, allowing to restore these if needed. And the lastly would be the sign out. The sign out option is an essential feature to maintain the security and privacy, especially on the shared devices. It usually located in the account setting over here on the bottom, and over here to sign out, you can simply tap on the bottom icon there and select to this yes to confirm it. And after confirming, you'll be signed out from the device on the app, and it closes your session, preventing others from accessing your account on the same device. And this is particularly important for the App Store, where the sensitive data that track personal progress such as training, productivity, or health app. And signing out also ensures that any changes made on another device, such as completed task or updated setting, are properly synced the next time you log in. And always sign out when using a public or shared device to maintain your account setting. And using the app efficiently involves understanding and integrating all its major features, upgrading PIN and setup bar, sound notifications, date and time, general appearance. And to make the most of the app, you can explore all the available features, understand how they interact, use the step bar, use reminders and notifications, and by combining these steps, you can create a structured workflow, remain productive, and ensure your account and data remain safe. And each feature is designed to complement the others. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below, and we will reach out to you very soon.